A piston moves up and down in a cylinder so that y is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 14. If the period is 2.5 seconds and y of 0 equals 6, which function below models the piston's motion? All right, we are given that on the y-axis, when x equals 0, we have our minimum value of 6, which means our graph looks something like this, with a minimum on the y-axis. So the easiest way to model that is a negative cosine wave. As a positive cosine wave would have a maximum on the y-axis, but if you make it a negative cosine wave, then we get the minimum on the y-axis. So I'm going to eliminate the two sine wave options. Now we have to figure out what b is. We are given that the period is 2.5 seconds. B equals 2 pi divided by the period. The period is 2.5. So 2 pi divided by 2.5, so that we don't have this decimal on the bottom, we'll multiply the whole thing by 2 over 2, and that will give us 4 pi over 5. So that is A.